Hello and welcome to For The Drive. Today I am at the Departure Lounge Cafe for the all-Italian car meet. Previous events of this has been fantastic. There's been all sorts from literally from the Abarths and Fiats all the way up to Panteras, Lamborghinis, Ferraris and the real rare ones. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that it's going to be an incredible day again. The sun is out in force already. So let's wait for these guys to arrive and take a wander around. I'll see you guys in a sec. So that ends another incredible morning at the Departure Lounge for the all-Italian car meet. As you can tell behind me, quite a few of the cars have now left. I've had an amazing morning wandering around some like that Challenge to Dali that turned up quite early, the yellow Ferrari, beautiful, really sounds absolutely mint, and a few of that the Diablo is absolutely gorgeous. There's some amazing cars here today, and some really nice people. Had lots of chats and met up with them, caught up with a few people. Haven't seen them for a while, so all round amazing morning. But that is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.